This is Lou Monti, Central Metro Realty, and I'm leaving this place for the last time. It's been a fun 3 months, but 2 months of pretty serious work into this house. We replaced windows, painted the outside and interior almost completely. Did some, a little bit of extra landscape work and things like this here and there to make the place ready for market. Wire brush cleaned this wrought iron gate. Painted this exterior door inside and out. Changed out all the exterior lighting as well. So it's been a pretty detailed project. Inside, we replaced the flooring, painted all the walls. The ceiling fans in the ceiling were all in pretty good shape to begin with. Didn't have to do much with them. We'll take a little walk over to the kitchen where I completely refurbished, changed out all the hardware, painted inside out, and cleaned these kitchen cabinets. It came out, I think, and from all the feedback I've heard, very nice from where it originated. Subway tile backsplash. Did quartz countertops. Replaced sink and undermounted farm style sink. Again, the lighting and all that was pretty original. We did change out all the air registers. The refrigerator we moved, and it'll be up to the new owner what they do, but it was over here. It's kind of choked up this area, so we put a little curtain up there for now. Could use a little tailoring, but you kind of get the hint. Changed out all the shelving in this pantry. Again, painted the doors all inside out, changed out all the hardware, knobs and hinges. We'll kind of go through the house, look for a couple other things that may have been done. We did some regrouting on tubs and things like that, cleaned the blinds. Again, all the flooring new, leaving them, of course, some backup flooring and stuff like that. Kind of walk through, kind of look at the garage while we're here, which we painted. Put a coat, at least, on the garage. Painted this tabletop and all that. Again, this door, painted it, changed out its hardware. Kind of gave everything a bright new look to it. I cleaned the tracks, cleaned the doors quite a bit. We did put we had some electrical upgrades done by electricians, and we put up a new garage door opener, painted the pegboards and all that to kind of brighten and fancy them up. So, this came out nice. So cleaned the windows, just all the little touches to really give this place a nice, fresh, clean look. Again, the windows were all replaced. All walls painted, crisp and clean, baseboards painted, trim around doors painted as well. Had 2 new vanities put in. Kind of his and hers setup because I didn't want to choke it up too much. I wanted to leave just enough space maybe for shelving or potentially a little makeup desk. New light covers. Again, new lighting in these closets, little recessed looking lighting. New shelving, again, the air intake covers, outflow covers, all brand new. We put a little bit of elbow grease into cleaning up the primary bedroom's shower. Excuse me, while I tinker with the lighting. And of course, new flooring all put in, and new hardware all on the shower, grouting and caulking. Replaced the ceiling fan. I took a little bit of patchwork up there as well to cover up the gap in the hole that the electrician was nice enough to leave me. And again, changed out the lighting, the shelving, air intakes, painted the baseboards, the walls. Really put a lot into this place, and actually one that I really enjoyed doing, and took quite a bit to get to this point, but it's kind of gratifying. We're gonna come out, poke our head out back real quick, where again the exterior of the house is painted. The rear fence was replaced by us. And the yard had some pretty neat features to begin with. There was lattice work and stuff that was kind of broken up on the backside of those planter boxes, so we left those. The wood was all stacked elsewhere, so we kind of set it up so they can have it in the fire pit over here. Yard, this little walkway was covered with grass and things like that, so we weeded it out and all that. Really wanted to bring out the great features this property had. Again, painted windows, rescreened. The plumbing, we had a little bit of plumbing work, especially with the nozzles and stuff like that, just so, you know, no one had to really worry about when they bought it. Some of the plumbing stuff is kind of minor and easy to do, easy enough for, and cost effective enough to have a plumber come out. Of course, they'll come out for some high dollar stuff, and while they're there, you might as well have them change out the spigot heads and stuff like that. So they mulched, trimmed up all the trees on this property, and you know, kind of in the back end of these properties, these fences, the fence was in bad shape. It was all overgrown with vines, and there was you know, some debris and stuff stacked along the back of it. It's quite a contrasting look compared to what it once was. So one of my favorite projects I've taken part in, and can't wait to do the next.